Hello po sir, ang unahin ko po ang Vision, a leading local university known to develop excellent and virtuous professionals who are catalysts of progress for both the local and global communities. Sa mission naman po, University of Eastern Pangasinan is dedicated of producing highly competent and morally responsible European stout innovation industry, focus education, sustainable research and value-based curriculum. We commit to shaping etika, trailblazer, bringing our principle-centered culture, defining our values of makajos, marunong and malinis. Thank you po sir.